Okay, so we are at Hank's Corner Market here in Cerulean, and this is like a really big event for Cerulean. So Stephen came on here down here earlier with his motorcycle, and we're gonna go find out the excitement heading on down to all the cars. There's also a lot of vendors down here.
Where's the classic cars?
I'm sure they're down there somewhere, AJ. So not only is it a car show, but it's also a classic, it's also a vendor place. Here's something called Lady Luck Boutique. Even has their own truck. We just gotta walk on down here and see where the cars are. So there's Hank's Market right there. Oh, there's the bouncers, AJ, right there behind the store. Oh wow, look at that, AJ. Bubby.
We're going to announce the winners in just a few moments. And then after that, we're going to get ready to do the cruise in. Supposed to be getting some rain coming in, so we're going to try to get the cruise in. Okay, on the 50/50, we got a $25 gift certificate to Hank's Corner Store down here. Okay, and the first one is ticket number 851140. 851140, a $25 gift certificate. The next one is another $25 gift certificate to Hank's. And the winner to that one is ticket 851016. 851016. Anybody come up first? The first one, 851140. Did anyone have that ticket? Anybody have those tickets? 851016, 851140. Do we have a winner?
Where you at?
Okay. Okay, the next is the 50/50 drawing. Ticket number 851259. 851259. 851-259. Think we have a winner. Eight 851-016 and 851-140.